In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Bluebeam. Whether you're labeling a plan, adding a quick note to a submittal, or clarifying a detail on a drawing, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest and most reliable way to place text on any PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. You can load it like any standard document and then give the page a moment to render. Before adding anything, adjust your zoom so the area you're working on is easy to see. This simple step helps you place text accurately and judge how large it should appear to other viewers. If the file has editing restrictions, some tools may be limited, but typical review documents are ready to mark up. Now choose how you want the text to behave. Bluebeam offers two primary tools, text box and type text. The text box tool creates a defined box with optional wrapping, which is great for labels or notes that need a tidy block of text. The type text tool, sometimes called a typewriter tool, places text directly on the page without a border, ideal for quick annotations that blend into the document. You'll find both tools on the toolbar, represented by a T icon. Pick the one that suits your purpose. Click on the exact spot where you want the text to appear. With type text, a blinking cursor will appear right where you clicked. With text box, you can click once to drop a box, or click and drag to draw the width you want. If your placement isn't perfect, don't worry, you can refine it after you've typed. Type your text, keep it concise and clear, especially if it sits near detailed drawings or measurements. If you're using a text box, the text will wrap inside the box so you maintain neat edges. When you're finished, simply deselect to confirm the entry. Finally, adjust the appearance so your text reads well. Select your text, then use the properties bar or panel to set the font, size, color, and alignment. Choose a legible font and a size that will be readable at the scale your team uses. Color is important for contrast. Black or dark gray works well for general notes, while a brighter color can help call attention to critical items. Align left, center, or right to match your layout, and keep consistency across the document so everything looks professional. Bluebeam typically remembers your last used settings, which helps maintain a uniform style as you add more text. And that's all there is to it. Open your PDF, choose the right text tool, click to place it, type your note, and fine-tune the look. You now have a clean, repeatable process for adding text in Bluebeam.